Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. We have ALGORAND and the next price targets. It is ready to go upwards. So before we begin, join the monthly subscription for easy profits. You can cancel anytime you like, and of course I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You will receive an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get a manual system with buying and selling opportunities for these hard days, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates, and many more benefits. Okay, so you can join the link in the description down below for the Telegram group chat as well. Hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see a little bit right now the Algorand, because it is ready to move, and I will tell you something. Okay, let's draw a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top right here, and of course you can see that we hold now the 1.99 to tether USD for Algorand, the very strong support level. MACD is going all the way down. You can see that the blue line is going down from the signal line, but the price remains stable. Okay, it hasn't gone so much down, and it remains stable with a higher low pattern and of course a lower high. We are getting into a squeeze point. More the chances are to go upwards and break above. Okay, so the more chances we have to break above to the next targets, but we will analyze that in the price analysis section more. If you do not have the time to go through the educational video, please go to the price analysis. Okay, so right now on the 4-hour frame, we introduced before in the previous video for the Atom Cosmos, we introduced the Fisher. Okay, and this has some different levels, as you can see here, the blue line, which if the altcoin goes down from this blue line, we have an extreme oversold situation. It is a risk metric. If it goes above the red line, we have extreme overbought situation, and it works sometimes like the RSI. For example, when we get lower highs, higher lows actually in the Fisher transform, and we get a higher high and higher low actually in the price, a lower low, sorry, in the price, but a higher low in the Fisher transform, then it is like a bullish Fisher transform. That's like the bullish RSI divergence. Okay, so you can see that this works the similar way, and it is another risk metric that I personally really like, and I used some settings, different settings from the default settings, because I wanted to try it out first, then introduce to the YouTube. Okay, so I want you to be sure that you are checking right there the edits, and of course you can go there to the settings and have some styles. You can go into the inputs. I have the same length as the default settings, 9 days, and the same as chart indicator time frame. And on the style, what I have done here is, instead of -1.5, I have dropped that into -2, because I want to be more sure when we go into an oversold situation, and then minimize the risk when we have a buying opportunity. You can change the colors right here on the Fisher, on the moving average, and of course on the numbers. You can do whatever you want. You can have the thickness right here of the lines, and of course the opacity, and the visibility remains the same. Do not worry about that. So the three risk metrics are going into an oversold situation. Okay, so you can see that. I do not know why we have that right now, but anyway, we can see that right now that we have, the commodity channel index. I made it. The commodity channel index is going down from the -100, and of course you can see the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold situation along with the Fisher. Okay, so 3 out of 4 risk metrics are going into an oversold situation. The RSI sometimes might not go down below the 30. Okay, sometimes it might not move down below the 30, and we might have and go a little bit down, then we find the bottom around here and we climb back up. Okay, so it is looking very good. 20-day EMA still above the 50-day EMA. We are now below the 20-day EMA, still above the 50-day EMA in the price, and you can see that even if we went down from the 50-day EMA, then it's all good. Do not worry about that. Okay, Let's go now to the daily frame, and you can see on the daily frame we are not even on the 20-day EMA. We might sometimes want to let the EMAs reach the price before we can have another uptrend. And you can see on the daily frame though the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold situation and makes the cut right here, smiling that we are going into an oversold situation on the daily frame while we remain some important support levels for Algorand. The only problem that we can have is if Bitcoin crashes down, not go down, but crashes down. It is very, very significant to just take that into consideration. And of course, if Bitcoin crashes down, then yes, we might lose some important support levels. However, for now, Algorand is looking strong. Okay, so on the daily frame, the volume is rising a little bit for Algorand, as you can see, and on the RSI in the commodity channel index, we are between -100 and 100 for the commodity channel index, and on the RSI between 30 and 70. As for the SSL hybrid, we had a selling opportunity right here. We do not hold any buying opportunity for now, but it is all good. I do not know why we saw a selling opportunity back here. Okay, I do not know why this happened from the SSL hybrid. Maybe I am wrong. We will see about that. Anyway, I think it was due to the fact that we had a little bit of a high risk, therefore it was best to sell. Okay, not a bad selling opportunity. We had a buying opportunity here and a selling opportunity there. Anyway, you should be in profits if you follow the SSL hybrid. Let's go right now to Algorand Bitcoin chart. And here you can see that the reason we are dropping down is because of the Algorand Bitcoin chart. I do believe that if we found huge buying pressure on the DMA, we are going upwards. You can see that the commodity channel index stochastic are in an oversold situation. The RSI is not. However, it doesn't matter. It might not even go below the 30 to go upwards again. So it doesn't matter for now. The only thing that matters is that we go upwards. Now, right now, Algorand against Bitcoin is underperforming. That's why we cannot move upwards like Bitcoin does. Okay, that's the reason that we are struggling to go even higher. And it is called also the Bitcoin's dominance. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are going a little bit down. We are not in an oversold situation yet, but we are soon going there on the stochastic RSI. On the other risk metrics, we are not, but definitely we are not looking bearish for now. Okay, so do not worry about that. We are not looking bearish. Let's go to the price analysis. And here we have again the Fisher transformation and the other risk metrics. Okay, so as you can see right here, we are going below the blue line right there. We have the blue line crossing the moving average of the Fisher transform. You can see here, this when happens, it is usually a bullish confirmation. But anyway, we have to wait a little bit till we see a further clear confirmation on whether we have a bullish recross right here and we go upwards or not. It is very, very possible that we have a bullish recross. The stochastic RSI now is already actually in an oversold situation, and we are waiting a little bit for the Fisher to go into an oversold situation, just like the commodity channel index, to get into the Algorand. Okay, I do believe that with the Algorand we can go even higher. Let's just draw the FIB again to see some important targets for Algorand: 2.73, 2.83, 2.90, and of course the 3 Tether USD we have for now as our next targets. Algorand is looking good. The only problem that might happen, is that Bitcoin has a crash. And as you can see, yes, we have an overbought situation for Bitcoin for 3 out of 4 risk metrics. Of course, here we might correct just a little bit. We might go sideways, which will be good for the altcoins, or we might go down and crashing. This with the second result won't be good for altcoins. Okay, but we might be going a little bit sideways, a little bit of a correction. If this happens, then yes, altcoins will move up, and also the Algorand will try to cooperate. A very, very bearish scenario will be to go down from the 1.85, and then our next target will be the 1.67. That is in case Bitcoin crashes, but the more chances are to go even higher to 2.73, 2.83, 2.92, and 3 Tether USD for Algorand. Okay, and if you want to take easy profits, do not forget to join the monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below, and also hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.